Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever heard the term brain drain? It sounds a bit dramatic, doesn't it? Today, we're going to break down this important phenomenon, what causes talented and educated people to leave their home countries, and what are the consequences for both the places they leave and the places they go. Let's explore the causes and effects of brain drain. What exactly is brain drain? The departure of talent. In simple terms, brain drain refers to the emigration of skilled, educated, and talented individuals from their home country to another, typically more developed one. Think of scientists, doctors, engineers, and entrepreneurs seeking opportunities elsewhere. It's like a country losing its intellectual capital. What causes brain drain? The push and pull factors. Several reasons drive brain drain. We can think of them as push factors, things that push people away from their home country, and pull factors, things that attract them to a new one. Economic opportunities, the pull, this is a big one. Developed countries often offer higher salaries, better job prospects, a higher standard of living, and greater access to resources like housing and healthcare. Imagine a talented engineer in a developing country who can earn significantly more and have better career growth in a technologically advanced nation. Political instability and conflict, the push, war, civil unrest, political turmoil, and persecution based on religion, gender, or sexuality can make a country unsafe and undesirable for skilled individuals, pushing them to seek stability elsewhere. Poor quality of life, the push, limited access to quality health care, inadequate infrastructure, environmental issues, and a general lower quality of life can motivate talented individuals to seek better living conditions. Lack of research and development opportunities, the push, for scientists, researchers, and academics, a lack of funding, poor research facilities, and limited opportunities for innovation in their home country can be a major driving force to move to places with more robust research environments. Technological changes, the push, automation and digitization can disrupt traditional industries in some countries, leading to job losses and pushing skilled workers to relocate to areas with more promising technological advancements. Educational opportunities, the pull, students may go abroad for higher education and then choose not to return home due to better career prospects in their host country. What are the effects of brain drain? The consequences of lost talent. Brain drain has significant consequences for both the countries that lose talent, the source countries, and those that gain it, the destination countries. For source countries, the losers, loss of human capital. The most direct impact is the loss of their most educated and skilled citizens, which are crucial for economic growth and development. Imagine a developing country struggling to build its tech sector because its best graduates leave for Silicon Valley. Stunted economic growth. The departure of high-earning professionals reduces consumer spending, potentially leading to business closures and a negative economic ripple effect. The loss of tax revenue can also hinder the government's ability to fund social programs and infrastructure. Shortage of skilled workers. The emigration of professionals can lead to shortages in critical sectors like healthcare, doctors and nurses leaving, education, and technology, impacting the quality of public services and overall productivity. Reduced innovation and entrepreneurship. Losing bright minds can stifle innovation, research, and the development of new businesses within the country. Loss of investment in education. The government and families invest heavily in educating these individuals, and when they leave, that investment doesn't directly benefit the home country. For destination countries, the gainers, influx of skilled labor. Brain drain provides destination countries with a readily available pool of talented workers, boosting their innovation, productivity, and economic growth. Lower labor costs, potentially, a larger supply of skilled workers can sometimes help keep wage rates competitive for businesses. Economic stimulus. New skilled workers often have higher incomes and contribute to the economy through increased spending. Cultural diversity and exchange. Immigrants bring new perspectives and skills, enriching the cultural fabric of the destination country. Are there any positives for source countries? While largely negative, some potential benefits for source countries include remittances. skilled immigrants often send money back to their families, providing a significant source of income for the home country. Diaspora networks. Emigrants can form networks that facilitate trade, investment, and the transfer of knowledge and technology back to their home countries. Return migration. Some individuals may eventually return with new skills, experience, and capital, contributing to their home country's development. Increased awareness. Brain drain can sometimes highlight the need for improvements in the home country, potentially leading to policy changes. Conclusion. A complex global issue. Brain drain is a complex global issue driven by a variety of economic, political, and social factors. While destination countries often benefit from an influx of talent, the loss of skilled individuals can significantly hinder the progress and development of source countries. Understanding the causes and effects is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate the negative impacts and potentially turn brain drain into brain circulation, where talent and knowledge can benefit all nations. Outro. What are your thoughts on brain drain? Have you or someone you know been affected by it? Share your experiences and perspectives in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into important global issues. Thanks for watching.